Madamo subong ang nagapangayo sang klaro sa ginapalapta nga video sang Jesus-shaped cloud.
My name is Augustus Rico. I'm the CEO and founder of Rainmaker. We're a cloud seeding company that is enhancing precipitation via advanced radar and also
Viral ngayon
drones.
ang misteryo ng mga nawawalang sabongero. Ilang taon na ang nakalipas di umano'y tinapon sa Taal Lake. Pero nananatili pa rin itong palaisipan. Kasunod ito ng paglabas ng whistleblower na nagbunyag ng mga impormasyon. Sino kaya ang nasa likod ng karumal-dumal na krimen na ito?
So how do we create peace in the Middle East without politics? Great work. The most powerful form of planetary service you've never heard of. Here's the truth. Earth is a living grid of ley lines and crystalline networks.
Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is.
Let me show you how this guitar station works. On this side, you could safely store any guitar. It could be acoustic guitar, your electric guitar, or your bass guitar. Over at this side, you could organize
Madamo na subong nga kabataan na ginatuluan sang teknolohiya, pero may ara man sa ilang nga nagapadayon sa aton kultura, paagi sa arte.
Oh my god. Okay. Well, first of all, I want to congratulate Maya.
The cat's out of the bag. The world's waking up to what's going on with Zionism, globalism, banking, Jewish supply chains, Jews. Ever since the Jews started putting fluoride in water to make you gay and fake and dumb and stupid, right? I've been pumping it out of the ground. There's no fluoride down there and it just takes a pipe. Can you imagine if they heard what I'm saying right now? Oh, yeah.
Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is. Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is.